Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair from either side and the front and join it at the back. Take the rest of the hair remaining, join it at the back, tie a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections, roll it in on itself and then roll it all into a bun. Next, take a section from the left side, make a braid out of it, do the same on the right side. With the rest of the hair, tie a low ponytail, take a section of the ponytail and then pull it through the middle. Pull both the braids through it and tie it up at the bottom at the back. Take two sections from either side, join it at the back. Twist the hair in on itself. Divide the rest of the hair into two parts and tie two ponytails out of it. Add a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections, roll it in on itself, and then pull it through the top sections as such. Do the same with the bottom and once more, pull it through the top, adjust it with pins. Leave out a section on the front on either side and then tie a low ponytail at the back. Taking the two sections, twist it around the ponytail and tie it up. Take two sections from either side, roll the hair in on itself and then add a rubber band at the base. Roll the hair in on itself and then bring it through the top section. Tie a ponytail and once more twist the hair, wrap it around the bun at the top and adjust the loose ends. Take two sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back. Include the section and the braid on the right side of the hair and then taking the remaining portion of the hair, roll it up after making a ponytail, wrap it up into a bun. Take two sections of the hair from either side, join it at the back, roll it in on itself. Tie two ponytails with the section that is remaining. Roll the hair in on itself as such and then fasten the loose ends. Tie a low ponytail and then make a braid out of this low ponytail. Do it only till you reach midway, however, and then take a multiple prong pin and then pin it up. Add a rubber band to the base and make a bun out of it. Thank you for watching.